Hey there everyone, and welcome to Family Trip. Today we're strapping on our metaphorical shin guards and heading out onto the pitch because we're diving deep into the world of football, or as some of you might call it, soccer. And where better to do that than in Liverpool, a city that practically breathes the sport? Liverpool isn't just about the Beatles and, being the birthplace of Ringo Starr, which is, let's be honest, pretty cool in its own right. This city is a hotbed of footballing history, passion, and some seriously impressive talent. We're talking about the kind of place where kids dream of bending it like Beckham, or maybe more accurately, like Salah on their way to Anfield. So join us as we lace up our boots and explore 5 key locations in Liverpool that have played a pivotal role in shaping football dreams and cultivating some of the sport's most recognizable names. Our first stop takes us just outside the city center to Kirkby, the home of the Liverpool FC Academy. Now, this isn't your average after-school hangout spot. This is where the magic happens, where raw potential is molded into Premier League-ready talent. Think of it as the Hogwarts of football, but instead of wands, they've got fancy footwork, and instead of potions class, it's tactical analysis. The academy isn't just about honing skills on the pitch, though that's definitely a big part of it. We're talking about state-of-the-art facilities, top-notch coaching staff, and a holistic approach to player development that focuses on everything from physical conditioning to nutritional guidance to, get this, mental well-being. Because let's face it, being a professional athlete, especially in a high-pressure environment like football, requires more than just fancy footwork. It demands resilience, discipline, and the ability to handle the inevitable setbacks that come with striving for greatness. And the Academy has a pretty impressive track record of producing greatness. I mean, we're talking about the breeding ground for legends like Steven Gerrard, Robbie Fowler, and, more recently, Trent Alexander-Arnold. These guys didn't just wake up one morning as football stars. They honed their skills, embraced the grind, and emerged from this very academy ready to take on the world. But the academy isn't just about churning out world-class footballers. It's about fostering a love for the beautiful game, instilling values of teamwork and sportsmanship, and creating well-rounded individuals. It's about providing opportunities, nurturing dreams, and reminding us that even amidst the glitz and glamour of professional football, it all starts with passion, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, the next generation's footballing superstar is out there on those training pitches right now, dribbling their way towards greatness. All right, folks, buckle up because our next destination is iconic. We're talking about Anfield, the hallowed turf, the home of Liverpool FC, the place where legends are made and dreams, well, sometimes dreams are crushed, but mostly made. Walking into Anfield is like stepping into a time capsule of football history. You can practically feel the energy of past victories, hear the echoes of the Kop End roaring, and sense the weight of expectation that comes with wearing that famous red jersey. It's no wonder that for generations of young Liverpudlians, Anfield has been more than just a stadium. It's been a beacon of hope, a symbol of community, and a source of immense pride. Imagine being a kid, kicking a ball around in the streets of Liverpool, and dreaming of one day playing under those floodlights with the Kop End faithful chanting your name. The roar of the crowd, the smell of the grass, the electricity in the air. It's enough to ignite a passion for the game that burns brighter than 1,000 suns. And it's not just the home team that feels the Anfield effect. Visiting players and fans often talk about the unique atmosphere, the intimidating aura, and the sense that they're facing not just 11 players on the pitch, but the collective spirit of a city united by its love for the beautiful game. But Anfield isn't just about the past. It's also a symbol of Liverpool's enduring footballing legacy, a testament to the club's commitment to its community, and a reminder that even in a sport driven by money and global superstars, some things are just priceless. So whether you're a diehard Red, a neutral observer, or just someone who appreciates the power of sports to unite and inspire, a visit to Anfield is an experience you won't soon forget. Now, we've talked a lot about Liverpool FC, but this city's footballing prowess isn't a one-club show. Just a stone's throw from Anfield, across the expanse of Stanley Park, lies another breeding ground for footballing talent, the Everton FC Academy. Yes, folks, even in a city as passionately devoted to Liverpool FC as this one, there's room for another shade of blue. Everton Football Club, Liverpool's other team, boasts a rich history and a dedicated fan base of its own. And just like their Anfield counterparts, Everton takes youth development seriously. The Everton FC Academy, located at Finch Farm, is a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to nurturing the next generation of Toffee's stars. Here, young hopefuls hone their skills under the watchful eyes of experienced coaches, learning the finer points of the game and developing the mental fortitude required to compete at the highest level. From Wayne Rooney to Ross Barkley to the legendary Neville brothers, Everton has a knack for producing top-tier talent. And while the rivalry between Liverpool and Everton is fierce, there's a shared understanding that both clubs play a vital role in making this city a hotbed of footballing excellence. In many ways, the Everton FC Academy embodies the spirit of its club, hardworking, resilient, and fiercely proud. It's a place where dreams are nurtured, talent is honed, and young players are given the tools they need to succeed both on and off the pitch. So, the next time you hear someone talking about Liverpool's footballing legacy, remember that it's not just about the red half of the city. Everton FC and its academy play an equally important role in shaping the next generation of footballing stars and adding another layer of depth to this city's already impressive footballing tapestry. Now, let's take a slight detour from the training grounds and stadiums and step into a place where football history and hospitality collide. The Shankly Hotel. This isn't just any hotel, folks. It's a shrine to the legendary Bill Shankly, the manager who transformed Liverpool FC from a second division team to a European powerhouse. Imagine walking into a hotel lobby and being greeted by a bronze statue of Bill Shankly himself, his iconic flat cap perched atop his head, a twinkle in his eye. That's the Shankly Hotel for you, a place where every corner you turn, every artifact you see, whispers tales of the man who made Liverpool believe. You see, Bill Shankly wasn't just a manager. He was a visionary, a motivator, a man who understood the soul of a football club and the city it represented. He believed in playing with passion, with heart, with a never-say-die attitude that resonated with the working-class roots of Liverpool. The Shankly Hotel captures that spirit perfectly. It's a place where you can practically breathe in the history of the club, where you can imagine Shankly himself holding court in the Bastion Bar and Restaurant, sharing stories of his glory days over a pint or two. And for any aspiring footballer visiting Liverpool, a stay at the Shankly Hotel is practically a pilgrimage. It's a chance to immerse themselves in the legacy of a true footballing icon, to draw inspiration from his words and deeds, and to understand the weight of expectation that comes with wearing the Liverpool badge. So whether you're a die-hard Liverpool fan, a history buff, or just looking for a unique and unforgettable hotel experience, the Shankly Hotel is well worth a visit. It's a place where the past comes alive, where the spirit of Shankly still lingers, and where the beautiful game is celebrated in all its glory. For our final stop, we're trading in the roar of the crowd for the gentle rustling of leaves, heading to Stanley Park, a 110-acre oasis nestled between Anfield and Goodison Park, the respective homes of Liverpool and Everton. Stanley Park is no ordinary park. It's a shared backyard for two of England's most historic clubs, where future stars have honed their skills for generations, dreaming of one day gracing the hallowed turf of Anfield or Goodison Park. Imagine growing up in the shadows of these iconic stadiums, having this park as your training ground. No fancy facilities, just pure love for the game. Stanley Park has witnessed countless impromptu matches, the birth of countless footballing dreams. It's a place where rivalries are forgotten, where the only thing that matters is the beautiful game. Stanley Park is a vital green lung for the city, a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to enjoy nature. It's a symbol of the unifying power of football. A reminder that even in a city divided by footballing allegiances, there's common ground to be found. So, the next time you're in Liverpool, take a stroll through Stanley Park. You might just stumble upon the next generation of footballing superstars, honing their skills and dreaming of glory. Well, folks, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of Liverpool's footballing soul, from the state-of-the-art academies where dreams are nurtured, to the iconic stadiums that have witnessed countless moments of magic, to the humble park where it all begins. We've explored the history, the passion, the unwavering dedication that makes Liverpool a city that lives and breathes football. Remember, every great player, every roaring crowd, every heart-stopping goal, it all starts somewhere. And in Liverpool, those starting points are as diverse and inspiring as the city itself. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and remember, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of the beautiful game alive. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content about football and its amazing cities. See you next time.